Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So there's a couple new things that I've added to my updated twist out routine, but I am not good at explaining it in this particular video. So let's just hop right on into it. Step 1, cleanse and condition. I did that the night before, and I'm going to be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream and the corresponding hair growth oil, mainly because it smells good. You guys know I typically like to do my twist outs on an old wash and go that's preferably dry, but my hair really needed to be washed. So basically what I'm just doing is finger combing my hair, just get rid of any loose tangles and curls. And then what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of that cream and then really rake it into my hair and then blot out any extra product with my microfiber towel. So here's what's new. I take each strand, the two strands I'm using to twist the hair, and I basically finger coil them. What this is going to do is basically lock that twist in place. So I just twist it tightly from root all the way down to the ends, and it gives the curls a much more spirally, coily look that I've really been all about recently. But this is how I style the back portion of my hair, and if you notice the way I parted my hair, there is a different way that I style the front. It's not drastically different, but yeah. I also forgot to mention, after the twist has been twisted, I'm basically finger coiling the whole twist, if that makes sense. So it's like twisting after twisting after twisting. It's a whole bunch of twisting, y'all. Honestly, y'all, I really hate doing twist outs like that, just because I feel like it gives me a similar look to my natural curl texture. On top of that, it's just, I don't know, it's a process. I don't like it. And as long as you have to wait so long for your hair to dry, whereas if I'm blow drying my hair, I can manipulate how long it takes my hair to dry. I will still do twist outs. This was accidental and I really liked it, so I tried it again, refined the look, and I liked it. So that's why I'm filming this for y'all. Moving along to the front, which is where I do add a little something extra. After I finger coil the two strands and I tightly twist them up, what I'm doing is I'm coiling the strand as I twist it around the other strand, if that makes any sense. Like I said, it's just a lot of twisting, and so what this does for the front of my hair is it gives it a much more defined pattern. And then of course when I get to the very end, I just twist up essentially the whole twist around my finger again. If you have a similar texture to me, keep in mind, by the way I'm parting my hair. Previously shown, I started with the lower back portion of my hair, and I'm saving the top crown portion for last, just because I feel like in my previous twist out videos, when I would section up my hair straight down the middle, I would have like this awkward line going down the middle of my head, and it didn't look right. And it's a little bit more noticeable now that my hair is getting a little bit longer. So that's why I don't typically like to part my hair straight down the middle. Plus, I like my hair to free fall when it dries, and then I just let it pick which side I want to part to, and then I'll just work with it. Typically, my hair naturally falls to the left though, so. So these are the twists. As you can see, they do look like little ropes, and I don't have any black rubber bands tied around the ends, but you can see the twists are locked and they are not going anywhere. I let these air dry and I just slept on them through the night. Some did kind of get deformed a little bit, but it didn't matter because after I unraveled them, they look just fine. Taking a little bit of the hair growth oil, I'm just going to basically squeeze and stretch out the twist just to get rid of any crunch that the cream left behind, if any. And then for the twist, I'm basically untwisting the twist the opposite direction that I twisted it in the night before. That sounds so difficult, but I promise you guys it's not. It's, you just twist the twist in the opposite direction basically, and then it'll easily unravel. So you can already see how these curls have separated themselves from results of previous twist out routines. They have a nice spirally kind of coily look, particularly my ends, as you guys can see. it just looks awesome, y'all. So I've got the shine, I've got the definition, I've got the bounce. Next is just to add some body and life to the look. So what I do is I go in and I just separate the curls even more, because I don't like chunky curls. I really don't. I feel like it just I don't know, I'm weird. Taking my pick, and I'm just going to lightly pick my roots out. I don't want to separate the curls too much. Granted, this isn't a style that I would wear for more than 3 days, so I guess it doesn't really matter, but I don't really need my hair to look extra big for this look. These are the results, y'all. Let me know what y'all think down below. I really like how this turned out. I do feel like this is probably my favorite routine, with a 3-strand twist out coming right behind it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment below what you think of the results. Let me know if you guys are gonna try this out, and I will see y'all on my next video.